What's going on, you lot? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Yeezy 500 in the blush colorway. Anyone who knows me knows that I've wanted these trainers since Kanye first appeared wearing them. Before we jump into the unboxing, please consider liking the video and also subscribing to the channel. So back to the trainer. They recently released on the Adidas Confirmed app, also on the Adidas website. I managed to buy these online the morning of release. As we all know, buying Yeezys is usually a myth, but I managed to check out 30 minutes after they dropped, so I can only assume there was a large quantity available. This is what my usual setup looks like when I'm trying to buy trainers that drop online. As you can see, I've got 3 platforms going. I've got my iMac, I've got my laptop, and also my iPhone. It definitely works having more platforms, so next time there's a release, give it a try. It just gives you more chances to get on the product page. So where are we going to start with this trainer? There's literally so much going on with it, which is why I like it. I think we'll start with the sole and then we'll work our way up. As you can see, it's not a boost sole, which every other Yeezy has bar the power face. They've gone for adiprene, which is the first I've heard of. Looking at the sole, it's pretty bumpy, but when you get a little bit closer, it has a really nice spongy feel to it. I'd say that the 350 V2 is the most comfortable Yeezy out of the collection. That is down to the boost sole, which just can't be beaten for comfort, but that's my opinion. Although these are still very comfortable. The sole of this trainer is actually madness. I've never seen or owned something like this before. There's just so much detailing on it. Just above the sole, either side of the trainer, there is a thin rubber panel. I'm not entirely sure what that's for, probably just for durability. Then just above that rubber panel, there is a layer of leather, which actually works its way from the lower part of the trainer to the upper and to the tongue. The toe cap is covered with a really nice premium suede. Pre-warning, there is a lot of suede in this trainer, so get your crep protect ready. As you work our way up over the lace eyelets, there's these really cool oval shapes that are actually covered with suede, and as you get to the top of the lace eyelets, there's more suede that works its way all the way down to the heel. While we're on the heel, there's actually 3 separate layers of fabric. You've got the suede panel, leather panel, and then there's a mesh panel at the tip of the heel. These patches of mesh actually go all around the upper part of the trainer. It really reminds me of an Adidas Ultra Boost. Moving on to the tongue, it's completely mesh with a thin panel of leather on top. The laces are then threaded through that. The laces are plain, matching the rest of the trainer in the blush colourway. Right, now I've got it in hand, I can still firmly say that it's my favourite Yeezy. I've owned a lot of the 350 V2s and they are very comfortable, but they're just shocking to style. The recent 700 and 500 fit the dad shoe trend, which are a bit easier to style in my opinion. I'm really surprised that the resale value on these aren't more. There was obviously a lot of stock available, which tends to bring the resale down. I've seen these on Depop for as low as £200, which is crazy. When you compare these to the 350 V2, that trainer appeals to more of the hypebeast community, so I would say that within that community, this trainer isn't as popular, even though I think it looks better. The Yeezy 500 appeals to more of the non-hypebeast community, which obviously isn't as large. My advice would still be buy these sooner rather than later. The retail price for these trainers were £160. I picked them up in a size 7. They do fit, however they are a little bit tight. I'm certain they will give, so if you're a little bit unsure on sizing, just go true to size or go a half size up. And this is how they look on. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. I'd love to know what you think of this trainer, so please drop your comments down below. If any of you lot want to be part of my giveaway, listen up for 2 seconds. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'll be giving away a £50 ASOS gift voucher. All you lot have to do is 2 very simple things. The first, you've got to be subscribed to me on YouTube, and the second, you've got to be following me on Instagram. There's my Instagram there, guys. Definitely follow me on there because I'll be contacting the winner via Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Charlie Turner, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care.